Are you looking for the best truck bed liner? In this video, we will break down the top 6 truck bed liners on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
Here's a high-quality U-POL bed liner product. It's a full kit complete with a spray gun and a hardener. If you like its quality urethane formula bed liner, but don't own your own spray gun attachment for an air compressor, this is the kit for you. With 4 1-liter bottles of bed liner, all you need to bring to the equation here is some painter's tape to tape off your truck bed and sandpaper for the prep process. These instructions are clear and easy to read, making the application process of the bed liner simple and straightforward. It also dries in just 1 hour, much quicker than some other spray-on urethane formulas. One con to this bed liner is that it may chip if applied heavily. Like all liners, you'll want to properly prep your surface before applying this product. There are plenty of instances in which you don't need an entire kit. For example, if you're replacing your tailgate and only need liner paint for that portion, there's no sense in spending your money on a complete system. This is a great alternative for someone who doesn't want to waste money in that kind of situation. This is a 16.5-ounce can that you can use to apply liner to any surface quickly. A benefit to aerosol is that you can promptly apply liner paint to tight areas and don't need expensive equipment to do so. Of course, you can't leave out the fact that it's a KRYLON product and it offers a fantastic finish and good protection. While this product can be used to cover the entire bed, it's much more practical for applying liner to small spaces or touching up an existing coat. If you were to try and cover the entire bed, you'd likely wind up spending way more money than you would for a roll-on or spray-in system. This truck bed liner spray is simple to use and comes with a spray gun attachment which helps you to get a nice even coat. It's an easy 3-step process: tint, add hardener, shake and spray. The really nice feature of the products is that there are a number of different colors available. You can fully customize the color of your truck bed, and the following colors are available: black, white, black metallic, lime green, bright purple, bright silver, dove gray, hot rod red, safety blue and tintable. This particular product is classic black, so would work well with any colored truck. Not only easy on the eye, the product is very functional too. The tin contains enough truck liner spray to coat the largest truck beds, and is resistant to stains and abrasions. The strong urethane coating is also waterproof and protects against corrosion, salt and damp and extreme temperatures. Due to the nature of the material, it also helps deaden sound and vibrations, so not more clattering items on your truck bed. The black custom coat urethane spray liner takes the 3rd spot for its great build qualities and the included gun. Sprays are generally preferred because they are forgiving for beginners and still precise enough for professionals. They also make it easier to apply coats across the truck's bed. This coat also offers this product as a brush on a roll-on bed liner, so the choice is yours. Simply add hardener and apply. The 8 liters should be more than enough for 1 coat and most likely cover a full 2 coats. The urethane coating itself is very durable and thick, providing great stain and abrasion resistance. Once the coating has dried and settled, you'll find it's completely waterproof, deadens sounds and vibrations, protections against salt and rust, has a nice flexibility to it, and isn't affected by extreme temperatures. If this coating doesn't cover it all, I don't know what would. The shucks gun is included with the liner kit purchase, and you'll find it's very easy to handle. Set the regulator to 55 to 60 psi and go at it. The most time-consuming part when applying the D spray will actually be the sanding the truck bed requires before applying. If your budget is a little over $200, then you should consider purchasing this particular drop-in truck bed liner for your pickup truck. This bed liner has a number of molded-in board holders to ensure that its stability is increased for your cargo. It holds onto each item in a specific position. This is a cool feature which is unique for this particular truck bed liner, and it is rare to find it on other liners with the same price tag. It comes with some pre-cut holes where you will be able to expose the LED lights, and thus, there will be no need for you worrying about endangering other motorists when you are driving at night. This truck bed liner is easy to install as it basically fits onto the truck bed. Its only downside is that it doesn't have pre-drilled holes for the tailgate extender cage. So if you are willing to carry out the alterations which are needed to give this truck bed liner a fit which is tight, you will be able to enjoy its benefits of skid-resistant, molded-in board holders, and no drill installation, which is made easier by the installation kit which comes with the liner when you purchase. This brush-on bed liner kit from HERCULINER includes a gallon of protective coating which comes ready for use. Inside the package, you'll also find an application brush designed to help you get to those tight corners and spots. There are 2 rollers for easy, even application, and an abrasive pad for preparing the truck bed. It can bond to virtually any type of surface or material, producing great results. This means that you can apply HERCULINER to wood, metal, aluminum, concrete, rubber, asphalt, fiberglass, and many plastics, including PVC. With features like that, it's no wonder this polyurethane-based product made it to the top of our list. This truck bed liner can be applied to the bed of your truck in just 3 easy steps, and everything you need is included. This means that you can get started as soon as you get the kit. When cured, this bed liner offers a protective coating that is not only extremely durable and long-lasting, but skid-resistant, too. It's undoubtedly the best roll-on truck bed liner for the money. It's important to always follow the manufacturer's instructions, otherwise, you risk ending up with results that won't be pleasing to you.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.